Mga ka-G, ngayong araw ipinagdiriwang natin ang Solemnity of Saints Peter and Paul. Sigurado ako, kilalang-kilala natin sila. Sa gospel natin ngayon, tinanong ni Jesus si Simon Peter ng "Do you love me?" ng 3 beses. Sumagot naman si Peter ng 3 beses, "Yes, Lord, you know that I love you." Gawin natin example si Peter sa ating buhay. Peter denied Jesus 3 times, yet the Lord gave him 3 blessed opportunities to respond to Him in love despite his offense against Him. We're always given many chances to prove our love and fidelity to Jesus. Like Peter, let us never tire in humbly saying, "Yes, Lord, I love you." G ka ba?